Hi there. My name is Gina Underwood. I love helping kids read because I love watching them succeed. I am a licensed dyslexia therapist and a certified academic language therapist. My bachelor's degree is from the University of Texas at Austin, and my master's of education in dyslexia therapy is from Mississippi College, specializing in Orton Gillingham's alphabetic phonics. On a personal note, I have a son who is dyslexic and who struggles with reading. This is the perfect class for a beginning reader or for an older student who struggles with reading. By the end of this class, you will be able to code and read words confidently and with ease. I look forward to seeing you in class.